Hello viewers, how are you? Today we will discuss how to get rid of a fat chest. There are a variety of causes for enlarged or fatty chests in men, and luckily just as many ways to combat the problem. Read below for some helpful advice and ways to minimize the appearance of your chest. 1. Focus on losing overall weight. The idea of spot training to target fat is a myth. You cannot lose fat in just one part of your body. If you decide that weight or fat buildup is the source of your problem, you will need to ensure that you lose weight overall in order to reduce your chest. 2. Watch your calories. The real trick to weight loss is burning more calories than you take in. This means that you don't necessarily have to count every single calorie. You just need to eat healthy portions of healthy food and get lots of exercise. You can be full and lose weight. Use some of the exercise techniques below to keep yourself active and push your body. The bigger the calorie deficit, the more weight you'll lose. 3. Climb stairs. You can climb actual stairs, or you can use a stair machine at a gym. You can use a preset program at a gym, but if climbing stairs on your own at home, be sure that you are going up and down continuously for at least 10 minutes. You should be winded. 4. Jump rope. Jump rope is a cheap, effective way to get your heart rate up and start burning calories. There are plenty of routines that you can do, easily found online or coached by a trainer, but just the basics is plenty to get you on the road to weight loss. 5. Do jumping jacks. This classic military and gym class exercise are great for getting your heart rate up and burning calories. These don't need to be complicated, don't need any equipment, and can be done at home. This makes them ideal for those on a budget. 6. Walk or jog. Though jogging is too hard on the knees for some people, walking is an accessible exercise that studies have shown can help maintain or reduce your weight over time. 7. Swimming. Swimming is an excellent, fun exercise. Swimming is well known for helping people with joint problems or those that are significantly overweight, as it takes strain off of the bones while still providing enough resistance to raise the heart rate and give you a workout. Swim in a pool or nearby bodies of water, but be sure that you practice proper safety measures for each location. 8. Bike riding. Riding a bike is an accessible, effective way to get exercise. You don't have to push yourself up hills or bike extremely hard, just basic techniques can help you lose weight. You can bike outside, or you can get a stationary bike and stay at home. 9. Use interval training. Interval training is done by combining short bursts of high-intensity physical exercise with short periods of normal exercise or rest. This can be applied to any exercise which has the opportunity to be intense, such as running, swimming, biking, or certain strength exercises. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and like, comments and share.